Hello students, we are solving the IB Math AHL past papers and currently we are solving the IB Math AHL May 2022 paper 1 time zone 1 past paper. Today we will be solving the question number 6 of this paper and you will be getting the links to all the previously solved questions of this paper and of the other papers in form of playlist in my channel. So without any further delay, let us start answering question number 6. The maximum mark is 5 and it says consider the expansion of 8x cubed minus 1 over 2x whole raised to the power of n, where n belongs to the set of positive integers. Determine all possible values for n for which the expansion has a non-zero constant term. We are seeing that x is present in the first term and x is present in the second term. So how can we have a non-zero, a constant term? A constant term is a term which doesn't contain any x. It is a pure number. So how can we have a constant term, a term not containing any x? Because we are seeing both the terms contain x. So how can there be a term which does not contain any x? There can be a term which does not contain any x if and only if the power of x is 0 in the term. Because anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So for that term, the power of x has to be equal to 0. Only then will it be a constant term, a pure number. Okay. So let us start with the general term expression. That is what we usually start with for binomial theorem questions. So let us start. Let us write the constant term, the general term expression rather. NCR 8x cube to the power of n minus r and negative 1 over 2x to the power of r. Okay. Now what we do? We get the expression for the power of x from this general term expression. And since we have to get the constant term which will be having the power of x as 0, we will be equating this expression equal to 0. First of all, what is the expression for the power of x from the general term? This is x cube raised to the power of n minus 1. So it is 3 times n minus 1. And from this part, it will be x is in the denominator getting raised to the power of r. So if we bring this to the numerator, it will be having a power of negative r. So therefore, power of x equal to 3 times n minus r minus r. And this should be equal to 0 because we are interested in having the constant term where the power of x will be equal to 0. So this is 3n minus 3r minus r is equal to 0. So let me just come over here. It is 3n minus 4r equal to 0 or 3n equal to 4r. Okay, that means n over r is equal to 4 over 3. Okay, so this is the ratio. N is to r equal to 4 is to 3. Okay, I can write it in the form of ratio also. N is to r equal to 4 is to 3. Okay. Therefore, we may take n equal to 4k. I can take k. I can take a as well. You can take any letter. Don't take x because x is here in the question. You may take y as well. So n equal to 4a and r equal to 3a, where a belongs to the set of positive integers. Okay. So the answer will be n equal to 4a. A belongs to the set of positive integers, or n equal to some positive multiple of 4. Okay. Okay. That means A is a positive integer, means A can be equal to 1, then n can be equal to 4. If n equal to 4, then r will be equal to 3, because A is 1, we have taken A as 1. So n will be 4a, that means 4, and r will be 3a, that is 3. Let us check. Let us take at least one value of A and let us check whether we are getting any non-zero constant term. Okay. So let me take another color for the checking purpose, and maybe, okay. So we are taking A is equal to 1. Therefore, n is equal to 4 and r is equal to 3. Okay. So we are taking the general term. General term will be 4c3, and 4c3 is 4. You cannot use your calculator because it is paper 1. So 4c3 is 4 factorial over 3 factorial times 4 minus 3 factorial. 4 factorial can be written as 4 times 3 factorial. So this 3 factorial and that 3 factorial will get cancelled. 1 factorial is 1. So you will be having the value as 4. Okay. So 4c3, and then it is 8x to the power of 3, 8x cube, and this is n minus r is 4 minus 3. So let me write that. 8x cube, 4 minus 3, and negative 1 over 2x to the power of 3. So I have shown this to be equal to 4. So I write this as 4. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is times 8 times x cube times negative 1 raised to the power of 3 is negative 1. And 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. 8 x raised to the power of 3 is x cube. These two will be getting cancelled. These two will be getting cancelled. And we are having 4 times negative 1 is negative 4, which is indeed a non-zero constant term. Okay, so you may take the a value as 2. Even then you will be seeing in that case n will be equal to 8 and r will be equal to 6. You may try. And even then you will be seeing that you are getting a non-zero constant term. You can take a as 1, you can take a as 2, you can take a as 10. Whatever may be the value of n, if it is a positive integer, then whatever may be the value of n, a, you will be having a non-zero constant term. Okay, for this expansion. So this is all for question number 6. And thank you for staying with me till the end. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I tutor online IB Math A, SL and HL level students. I tutor both from within India, outside India. And I offer both one-on-one and small group online tutoring sessions. And in case you are liking my explanations, please do give these videos some likes, and please do share these videos with your friends so that even they can get benefited by watching these videos. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will be motivating me to make more math videos for you. And please don't forget to press the bell icon. You will be getting notified as soon as I publish a new video. Okay, so we meet again very soon in our next session where we'll be solving question number 7 of the same paper. Till then, bye.